Hello guys, this is allrover and in this lecture we will be seeing about let versus where. We have seen what let keyword is and we already know the where keyword. So in this we will be seeing the difference between the let versus where, and you will be your expected output will surely or be different from what you have thought. So first see this code. In this, for loop is there in which using the variable keyword I is initialized from 1 and each time it is incremented till less than equal to 5, and we have used a set timeout timer, and the function called is just the printing the value of I. This is the function and it is just printing the value of I, and the timeout timer is 1000 millisecond, means after 1 millisecond this function will be called. And one thing you have to notice that set first see the output. What will be the output of this code? Think yourself once, and I am running it for you. You can see the output is 5 times 6. It from your expectation it might be 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, but in spite of that it is just printing 5 times 6. I'm telling you the reason. When you created the variable I in the for loop, this variable I is created in the global space. So when you set timeout after 1 second, then after 1 second then this function is going to be called. But our processor is so fast that within in less than the 1 second it has completed all the looping, that is from I to 1, I from starting from 1 to 5, and I reached 5 and then 6, then it has come out of the loop. Then the function is called, then comes the first 1 second is, now time has come for 1 second, now the function is called. So what will be the printed value of I? Since I is 6 and it is in global scope, so it is printed 6 that much time. Now see this piece of code. I'm commenting the above code and I will decomment the below codes. Now see this code. In this we have not used the where keyword, we have used the let keyword, and the same set timeout function is same, and the timer is also same, that is 1 millisecond. Right, now what should be the output in this case according to you? Think yourself once. I'm running it. The output is 1 2 3 4 5. The reason I'm going to tell you, whenever you create any variable using let, then I have already told you in the previous lecture that it is only in the block scope, not in global scope. So I is only in the block scope, right? Now after 1 second you are going to call this function, then what value of I it is going to print? It print each different value of I is associated for each looping and set timer function. This line should be clear to you. Different value of I, for different value of I is associated for each set timeout function. Means I equal to 1, then one set timeout function is there, and then I is 2, then another set timeout function is there. And when it will be printing, then it will print the I starting from 1 till 5. So this is the difference between for and let in JavaScript. So thank you so much for watching and keep following in the next lectures. Thank you very much.